Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A10s versus a Oppo A5s. And Oppo A5s comes with a MediaTek Helio A22 processor, while the A10s comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 processor. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see which one is faster there. And A5s comes with the 3GB RAM versus a 2GB RAM on the A10s. There is a two more variant which is available in the market that comes with a 2GB RAM and a 4GB RAM with a 64GB internal storage and 2GB RAM with a 32GB internal storage, but this is a 3GB RAM variant. And Oppo A5s is faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A10s is right behind, about 1 or 2 seconds difference there. Both phones comes with a 720p IPS LCD display, not Super AMOLED on these devices. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background. So first application, phone dialer, very fast animation on the Oppo A5s. So settings, and that is little bit quicker on the Oppo A5s. Samsung Galaxy A10 is right behind. So mic lock, again little bit quicker on the A5s. You guys are the judge of the speed test, and that is huge faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10s, and A5s is right behind. Calculator, seems like A5s is just a tiny bit faster. So moving on with some games applications. So first game is the Candy Crush. And faster on the Samsung, not Samsung, Oppo A5s and Samsung Galaxy A10s. Now it is also done. So next up is the Subway Surfer. And Oppo A5s is done, and Samsung Galaxy is also done. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2. And that is again faster on the Samsung, not Samsung, Oppo A5s. And you can see now A10s is also done. And the system based application as well as the game application faster on the A5s. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, faster on the A5s, and A10s is right behind. So moving on with the internet browser war. So I am using the Samsung internet browser on the A10s versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo A5s, Amazon.com first website, and same Wi-Fi network. And Oppo A5s, yes, it is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A10s. And you can see now A10s is also done, and you can see I noticed some lags on the A10s. Now it is smooth. Same thing with zooming in and out, some lags on the A10s. So next up is the Samsung.com, and let's see. And Samsung Galaxy A10s is faster this time, and Oppo A5s is also done. And you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, and you can see same thing with zooming in and out, and you can see no lag whatsoever. So let's see the RAM measurement. So A5s comes with a 3GB RAM versus a 2GB RAM. On the A10s there is a two more variant which is available in the market that comes with a 2GB RAM and a 4GB RAM. So this is a 3GB RAM variant that got refresh on the A10s, refresh on both phones, refresh on A10s, calendar, refresh on both phones, and to refresh right now on the A5s. And in my every speed test, A10s is perform very bad in the RAM measurement. Refresh again on the A10s, very bad RAM measurement on the A10s. I hope the RAM measurement will improve with some software updates. So we are back to the internet browser. Overall, I would say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo A5s. A10s is right behind to the Oppo A5s. RAM management is much better on the Oppo A5s. All the application is refreshed on the A10s. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A10s versus a Oppo A5s. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.